Mastering the YouTube video script essential tips. Hello creators, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the art of scripting for YouTube videos. Whether you are a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, a well-crafted script can be the difference between a viral hit and a flop. So let's get started. First tip, know your audience. The first step in writing an effective script is understanding who you are talking to. For example, if your audience is tech enthusiasts, use language they understand like RAM, processor, GPU. Here are examples from successful science and technology channels. Notice how they use technical terms while explaining complex concepts in a simple way. Tip 2. Keep it concise. YouTube viewers typically have a short attention span. So, keep your sentences short and your message clear. Here are some of the examples of how successful YouTubers keep their script concise and engaging. Tip 3. Add a call to action. Encourage your viewers to like, share and subscribe. This not only boosts engagement but also help grow your channel. Check out those examples from effective call to action from popular YouTube channels. And that's it for today's video. Remember, scripting is an art, and like any art, it takes practice. So keep writing, keep creating, and most important, have fun doing it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more tips on mastering YouTube.